In this video, I want to show you how to squash your commits using command line. And this is very useful because you don't have to rely on a graphical interface. Sometimes it's much faster. In this example, I have my folder here, and the repository has 3 commits in it. So if I do git log, I have 3 commits in it. You can see the first one, the second one, and the third one. You can see that my latest commit is this one. The latest one shows at the top at the moment. What I want to do is I want to squash these 2 commits together. And what will happen is I will basically take this commit and squash this one into the first commit up here. And then I will have a new commit created. You can see my hash here is D3 and this one is 5A. Remember that, D3 and 5A, for the sake of just comparing at the end. So let's see how we can squash that. The first thing you do is you figure out how many commits from the latest do you want to squash. So I want to squash the 2 commits. Again, these 2 commits. So what I will do is I will do git rebase, and I have to do this interactive, very important. And I'm saying for my current head where I am, I want to take that and the one after that. I want to squash them together. And you can see immediately I have those 2 together showing up. Now the way you do it, you have to pick one commit, and the other commit you have to choose as squash. So I'm going to squash this second commit here. So I'm going to say S, or I could type squash. You can see here I could type S or I could type squash. So what's going to happen, this commit here is going to squash into the commit above. Okay, again 5A and D3, you can see that my hash is showing up here. So once I've done this, I have to save this, and I'm using VI. So the way you save in VI is you just do this. So now I'm saving this file. If you're using Windows, you might see Notepad pop up. Now once I do that, I get another window coming up, and this is again VI opening up, and it's saying, all right, you want me to squash that commit into the previous one. I need to make a new commit. Can you give me the commit message now? So this is going to be the commit message that I will be showing in my git log. Now in this case, I can say, for example, if I don't want a line, I can just comment this. So I'm going to comment these lines. They won't show up in my commit. And here I'm going to say just add styles. So my commit message will be add styles. So again, this is the new commit of the squashed 2 commits together. It'll make a new commit. And once I've done that, I can again save this file. And now you can say it says successfully rebased. Now if I do git log, you can see it's a completely new commit hash. You have actually rewritten the history, in other words. But if it's your local branch and you haven't pushed to a repository, a central repository, you're fine. But remember, you are actually creating a new commit completely, and you have removed those 2 hashes completely from history. I hope this helped you in making your life easier, not having to rely on graphical interfaces. Thank you.